Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Wicker Bins is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing storage solutions available today, seamlessly blending functionality with a touch of natural charm to elevate any room in your home. Whether you're looking to declutter your living space, organize your closet, or add a decorative element to your shelves, these woven wonders offer a stylish and practical way to keep your belongings tidy and accessible. From laundry hampers to toy chests, the applications are endless, making them a must-have for anyone seeking both order and style in their living environment. Number 5. Keter Borneo 110-gallon resin deck box. Declutter your outdoor space with this versatile storage solution. It's perfect for keeping everything from garden tools to patio cushions neatly organized. This spacious container offers a generous 110-gallon capacity. Plus, it conveniently doubles as extra seating, comfortably accommodating 2 adults. Designed with your safety in mind, it features a smooth, automatic opening mechanism. The hydraulic pistons ensure a gentle, soft close, preventing any accidental finger pinches. Crafted from high-quality polypropylene resin, this unit is built to last. It bravely withstands harsh weather, resisting fading, peeling, rotting, and rusting. For over 75 years, Keter has been dedicated to creating innovative home solutions. We design products inspired by your life to make everyday living better and more convenient. What we like? This offers a stylish, wicker-like appearance that blends seamlessly with outdoor decor. It's also incredibly practical, doubling as extra seating for 2 adults. If you need a durable, all-weather storage solution that also provides extra seating, this is the perfect choice for your patio or deck. What people say? Very easy to assemble. Only needed a Phillips head screwdriver to put it together. Very sturdy plastic construction. Weatherproof. It rained heavily immediately after I put it outside and there were 0 leaks. Number 4. StorageWorks Handwoven Large Storage Baskets. Introducing our handwoven storage baskets, crafted from 100% natural water hyacinth. They bring a touch of natural elegance to any room. Each basket offers ample space, measuring approximately 15.25 inches long, 10.75 inches wide, and 5 inches high. Perfect for a variety of household items. These baskets are meticulously handwoven over a sturdy iron frame, ensuring durability. Embrace the unique charm of a truly handcrafted item. Designed for your convenience, they feature 2 smooth, polished wooden handles. Carrying your essentials has never been easier. From bath essentials like towels and toiletries to kitchen items like fruits and vegetables, or even toys and newspapers, these baskets handle it all. Made from a clean, renewable material, these baskets are an eco-friendly choice for your home organization needs. What we like? Crafted from 100% natural water hyacinth, these baskets bring a touch of organic charm to any room. The handwoven detail and smooth wooden handles make them both beautiful and functional. If you appreciate natural materials and seek stylish, portable storage for smaller items like toiletries or snacks, these are an excellent option. What people say? I use one in our guest bathroom to hold toilet paper, and it fits 3 rolls perfectly, no squeezing or awkward balancing acts. It sits flat on the tank, doesn't scratch the surface, and makes the space feel organized and intentional without trying too hard. The wooden handles add a nice touch, and even with 4 years of bathroom life, guests, toddlers, and all, it still looks polished and smells like nothing, which is exactly what you want from a bathroom basket. Thick, beautiful, well-made and very useful for small and large items I use regularly and leave them on my dresser or night table. Number 3. Suncast 99-gallon wicker resin patio storage chest. Introducing our beautiful wicker resin outdoor storage box. It offers a wide and spacious 99-gallon capacity, perfect for your patio, deck, or yard. Crafted from durable resin, this storage chest is built to last. It resists water, fading, and rust, ensuring it stays looking new for years. This versatile storage solution can be used indoors or outdoors. It's ideal for storing a variety of items, from pool accessories to gardening tools. Designed with your convenience in mind, it features handles on each end for easy carrying. The lid flips open for simple access to your belongings. Its functional design allows rainwater to flow off, keeping your items dry and free from mildew and rust. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your belongings are protected. This storage chest is the ideal size to fit any living space. It offers ample room without taking up too much valuable area. What we like. This chest boasts a classic wicker resin look that complements any outdoor setting while offering substantial storage. Its durable, all-weather construction ensures your belongings stay dry and protected. If you're looking for a spacious, weather-resistant outdoor storage solution with easy access, this is an ideal pick for your patio or garden. What people say. The deck box parts arrived in excellent condition, and after separating the pieces prior to assembly, I proceeded to assemble the unit. One person can easily do this assembly, but care should be taken that the correct parts are used at each assembly step. Since there are little no screws bolts used, the box assembles by each part being inserted and snapped in place. The box looks great, both the shape, wicker resin detail, and mocha color. The box has a good storage capacity, but this depends on the thickness of your cushions. I have 2 thick chaise lounge cushions in one box and have some room to spare for 1 to 2 chair cushions. It's been through several heavy rains and everything inside has stayed dry. I expect it to last many years. Number 2. StorageWorks Fabric Storage Bins. Tired of flimsy organizers? Ours are built with a strong metal frame and reinforced base, ensuring they stand upright and ready to use, even when empty. These large baskets offer ample space for all your essentials. Neatly store clothes, blankets, toys, and more, keeping your home tidy. Moving your stored items is a breeze with our reinforced PU handles. They are securely attached, making lifting and carrying comfortable and easy. Perfect for shelves or closets, these bins bring order to any space. Use them in bedrooms, living areas, laundry rooms, or dorms to declutter. Need to save space? These organizers assemble in moments and fold flat for convenient storage. They help you maximize your living area. Crafted from natural fibers, these bins offer a stylish yet practical solution for your storage needs. They blend seamlessly into any decor. What we like. Built with a robust metal frame and durable fabric, these bins maintain their shape even when empty. They offer a generous capacity for various items and can be easily folded flat for convenient storage. If you need versatile, space-saving organizers for shelves or closets that are easy to move and store, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. They're sturdy, look great, and come in a variety of sizes that make organizing easy. Impressive, sturdy support with wire. Nice quality fabric, not thin. Great size and so far durable for my children's toys. Easily fit in the space and fit a lot of things. Number 1. Seville Classics Handwoven Laundry Bin, 2-pack. Introducing a touch of natural elegance to your home. This laundry bin is crafted from handwoven natural water hyacinth, bringing organic beauty to any room. Designed for your convenience, it features sturdy carrying handles for easy transport. Take it from room to room effortlessly, whether it's laundry day or just tidying up. This generously sized bin offers ample space for your clothes, linens, sheets, and even toys. Keep your household organized and clutter-free with this versatile storage solution. Made from sustainable water hyacinth, it's not only durable but also an eco-conscious choice for your home. Enjoy its natural charm and long-lasting quality. Its rectangular shape and natural finish make it a perfect fit for any room in your house. Use it in the bedroom, bathroom, or laundry room to keep things tidy. This offer includes a convenient 2-pack, ensuring you have enough storage for multiple needs. Get organized with this practical and stylish set. What we like. This portable laundry bin is expertly handwoven from natural water hyacinth, offering an attractive and eco-friendly way to manage laundry. Its sturdy carrying handles make transport a breeze. If you're seeking a stylish, natural, and easy-to-carry solution for your laundry needs, this bin is perfect for keeping your space tidy. What people say. It's compact and narrow enough, yet it provides ample space for dirty laundry for 4 people including 2 kids. Well constructed and not flimsy. It has 2 sections for colors and whites, making laundry sorting a breeze. It's also quite attractive and not bulky. The dimensions are what was listed on Amazon. One thing I noticed was how nice and light it felt, but still sturdy because of its steel frame. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.